I think a good photograph is something that has a really deep personal connection to the photographer. It's the story that sits behind the photograph, why you took the picture and what it meant to you on the day. I'm Ben Thomas. Welcome to my master workshop. A really common question that I've had over the years is, how do I create the pictures that I do? In this master workshop, I'll show you how you can transform your images, give you my signature hyper-reality look. It's going to really accentuate the colours and add vibrance to your photography. My creative process really starts before I even leave the door with pre-planning. So being able to scope locations and using different mapping street view tools is really important. I'm also checking weather conditions and the best time of day to be shooting to get maximum light. For my particular aesthetic, really bright conditions is favourable. I'm looking for really good, strong front light midway through the day. As a Hasselblad master, it was just a great opportunity to collaborate with OPPO and Hasselblad to bring the best parts of my creative process down to one simple filter. So the Find X5 Pro is a really fantastic way to visually capture your city in a post-lockdown world. Radiance is a really good word for it because it's looking to transform your images into something that comes back to that theme of hyper-reality, really being able to accentuate the colours and vibrance of your pictures. Okay, we're here right in the heart of the Melbourne CBDs. We've got an absolute fantastic piece of architecture right in front of us now. You're in photo settings here. We're going to click on the magic wand. We're then going to go over to the radiance filter. So we're really looking with the radiance filter to pick up on as much colour as we can. And the neat thing about this is that straight away, you can see that the filter's being applied immediately. We can follow all the interesting colour patterns that are here, the yellows, the blues. There's a lot that's going on here. Hasselblad natural colour calibration is just such a huge advancement in mobile photography. Because for anyone taking a photo on the Find X5 Pro, you're going to be bringing that technology to every photo that you're taking. It provides more natural and accurate colours, and it reproduces the images up to Hasselblad standards in a way that's very natural. Perfect for this colourful location we're shooting right now. The Pro mode is doing a really fantastic job at bringing a very large selection of controls to a photographer that wants to dig deeper into producing their photography. We're here at Berkeley House, fantastic location, and what we're going to do first is we're going to move into the Pro mode now. We're going to set up some grids here at the moment. Now these grids and levels are really important. You can see that we've got both the level in the middle and the grid lines set up. But what we're also going to do is we're going to set up the histogram. We can see how the light is reacting at the moment. We've got the ISO settings down here. You can see those changing as the lighting conditions are changing slightly. We're going to leave the shutter at 1/8000th. That's going to keep the frame nice and sharp. I've got complete visibility of everything that's going on within that frame. And now we're good to take a picture. So I really like what's going on here. So we've had a big day out shooting in the Melbourne CBD. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you've learned something, and I hope you've picked up a thing or two that you can take into your photography moving forward.